Did you know that nutrient deficiencies are one of the most commonly overlooked root causes of thyroid dysfunction? Whether it's Hashimoto's, Graves' disease, or hypo or hypothyroidism, nutrient deficiencies play a huge role. The great news is that restoring optimal levels of these nutrients is often one of the quickest and easiest ways to start seeing improvements in your symptoms while you work on tackling other larger root causes of your condition. However, there are two major mistakes that people often make when it comes to nutritional testing and supplementation. So let's go over 7 important nutrients for thyroid function and the 2 big mistakes you need to avoid with testing. Number 1, selenium. The enzyme that converts thyroid hormone from T3 to T4, the inactive state to the active state, is dependent on selenium. So without enough of it, your thyroid hormones are stuck in their inactive state, which leads to slowed metabolic function, hair loss, weight gain, fatigue, and all of the other pesky hypothyroid symptoms. Selenium is particularly helpful for anyone with autoimmune thyroid dysfunction. Studies have shown that a dose of 200 micrograms of selenium a day can reduce thyroid antibodies up to 50% in as soon as 3 months. But you can't overdo it, so you have to be careful with selenium. Number 2 is zinc. This mineral plays a huge role in 3 key areas that impact autoimmune thyroid conditions: immune function, gut health, and thyroid function. With the thyroid specifically, zinc supports the production of thyroid stimulating hormone known as TSH and converts thyroid hormones to their active state. Number 3 is iron. Iron plays 2 important roles in thyroid health. It helps your thyroid actually produce hormones, and it helps them convert again to the active state. Number 4, omega-3s. Once your body has produced thyroid hormones and converted them to T4, next they need to enter your cells so they can attach to the thyroid hormone receptors and actually do their job. Omega-3 fatty acids help maintain healthy cell membranes so that your thyroid hormones can get into the cell. And they fight inflammation, which is always a key factor when you're dealing with autoimmune thyroid disease. Number 5, vitamin A. Another nutrient that helps your thyroid hormones to do their job is vitamin A, which is needed to activate your thyroid hormone receptors inside the cells. Additionally, low vitamin A may reduce thyroid function. Number 6 is vitamin D. Vitamin D is an immune system modulator, and without enough of it, your immune system is more likely to go rogue and mistakenly attack your own tissues. This is exactly what happens in Hashimoto's and Graves when your immune system attacks your thyroid. Knowing this, it's no big surprise that when you have low levels of vitamin D, it has been associated with higher levels of thyroid antibody production. Number 7 is vitamin E. What we call vitamin E is actually a group of 8 fat-soluble antioxidant compounds that are involved in immune function, metabolic processes, and gene expression regulation. Researchers found that oxidative stress often accompanies thyroid dysfunction, and since vitamin E is a collection of antioxidants, it helps protect against damage and improve thyroid symptoms. Now let's get to the 2 major mistakes that people often make when it comes to nutritional deficiencies and supplementation. The first is that they assume that because they're eating whole foods, paleo or AIP or Whole30 or whatever you're doing, you don't have to worry about nutritional deficiencies because you're getting it from the food. So they don't even bother with testing or even supplementation. The second is that they waste a bunch of money taking nutritional supplements to overcome deficiencies they don't even have. Without comprehensive testing, you can't know what your levels of these nutrients are and whether or not you need additional dietary or supplemental support. So thanks to factors like soil depletion, toxin exposures, chronic stress, and other issues in our modern environment, we often can't get all of the nutrients we need from our diet alone, no matter how healthy it is. And even if you're eating all of the nutrients you need, you may not actually be absorbing them if you're dealing with leaky gut, low stomach acid, or gut infections like SIBO, Candida, or intestinal parasites. So in my clinic, one of the tests we use is a blood and urine test called the NutriVal, which provides a comprehensive nutritional analysis that looks at key vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, amino acids, oxidative stress markers, and even some toxins and detoxification markers. So we also often use a comprehensive stool test called the GI map to evaluate your digestive health and identify and treat any issues that may affect your nutrient absorption. Armed with this information, we are able to design a dietary and supplemental protocol based on your specific needs so you can start feeling better and feeling like yourself again. My name is Dr. Seth Osgood, and I'm the founder of GrassRoots Functional Medicine. And if you are looking for an integrative approach to overcoming thyroid dysfunction that is based on real answers and not guesswork, I'd love to work with you. Just visit our website, which is grassrootsfunctionalmedicine.com, or give us a call at the clinic, and you can set up a free 10-minute discovery call with me where we discuss your health concerns, review our approach, and identify if you would be a good fit for our adaptation program. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you.